Hi everyone, I'm Hannah.
Hello, I'm Barry.
It's a pity that we can't come to the site to speak with you face to face, but we have prepared some useful and interesting information about Huawei product documents. We hope this will help you have a better understanding of Huawei products and documentation.
We have a wide range of documentation covering the whole life cycle of our products. We are not only referring to product manuals but also tools and multimedia. These resources may exist in different information platforms. Now, let's show you how to find them.
Let's look at how to obtain pre-sales documents. First, go to e.huawei.com and choose Menu Resource Center. In the product and service area, you will find the pre-sales documents of all our products.
Likewise, after-sales documents can be downloaded to your computer, phone, or tablet.
If you are using a computer, documents are available on Huawei Technical Support website.
If you are using your phone, these documents are available on our HiNo app. You can download Huawei HiNo on Huawei App Gallery or any app store, or simply scan the QR code on screen now.
Some of you might already be familiar with the Support E. All enterprise product information is poured here, so you might worry it's hard to find your target documentation.
To help you find the documents of Huawei data storage products more easily, we bring the Huawei Data Storage Infocenter, our self-developed platform that is the home to all product knowledge. Here, we integrate the multimedia, online tools, and online courses related to our storage products.
Now, let's show you how to find this platform.
On Support E homepage, select Centralized Storage and click View Details to find the platform. Alternatively, on the Support E homepage, click the Tools button and you will find the platform in the recommended tools.
On your phone, this can be easily accessed by scanning this QR code. Add a bookmark to the website on your browser for fast access to the platform. Now, let's show you how our documents and the tools help you throughout the product lifecycle.
If you are in the initial stage of a project and want to find information on a product, our datasheets include product highlights, specifications, and application scenarios.
Our interactive 3D display and the hardware introduction videos offer quick and easy to digest info that will save you from drowning in piles of documents. Here, we have the 3D Experience Center. To try it, go to the Data Storage Infocenter, choose Tools 3D Experience, and you can start to learn the product with the 3D model.
To find the right product, we have released the interoperability navigator and the specification query tools. In our next example, assume the storage system is OceanStor Dorado. You can check the compatibility with components listed here.
Or in other feature component, you can select other components such as interface cards and switches. If you add switch model and choose Cisco MDS 9132T, then click Submit. We will get a compatibility list. You can further refine the parameters and export the list as a PDF.
We provide a full set of tools to facilitate your network planning, including networking assistant, power consumption calculation, and graph library.
In addition to the tools used for network planning, we also provide the one-stop design tool, LL Designer. LL Designer allows you to quickly prepare an LLD online using a template or by yourself. It can be used to design networks, plan software and hardware, and generate an LLD. helping you improve your work efficiency.
In the first half of 2021, we launched the Software Configuration Experience Center to help with installation and configuration. The Software Configuration Experience Center integrates all interactive multimedia resources of Huawei storage products. It allows you to experience product operations and processes without setting up a real environment, helping you understand the process of key service.
For example, if I choose Basic Storage Service Configuration Guide for block, it will guide me to finish the basic service configuration step by step.
If you need tailored documents, try the latest Document Customization Center. On the Infocenter homepage, choose Tools, Document Customization. Then select a document and modify its title, chapter name, and content as you like.
Our website offers extensive tools and documentation designed to simplify OEM. These dedicated tools include query of spare parts, EOX, and warrant information. In spare parts query, you can search product information by BOM number, by product, or by ASIN or contract.
In addition to documents and tools covering the product lifecycle, we also have our learning platform, Data Storage Academy.
The Huawei Data Storage Academy provides engineers with a wide range of product learning materials, including multimedia information and online courses.
There are two ways to visit the Academy. First, on the Technical Support homepage, choose Online Courses. In the IT area, click Storage. Alternatively, in the Data Storage Infocenter, click the Academy tab on the navigation bar.
The Huawei Data Storage Infocenter has integrated so many documents. It's very practical. Next, let's learn about optical transmission and access documentation.
Let's go back to our support website and then choose Transmission Network. As you can see, here is the interface. Just click it to access. Now, welcome to our Enterprise Transmission and Access Information Center.
On this page, you can see industrial hot, stock products, and hot resources. For example, if you want to query something about DC908, just click this picture, then you can get all information about Huawei Optics Trans DC908.
Click here to return to our homepage. Here, click Product. You can obtain all pre-sales and post-sales documents of optical transmission and access in one-stop mode, including brochures, white papers, product documents, installation guides, and configuration guides.
Yes, it's convenient. If you don't know much about the product, we also offer some training for you to learn. Click Training and Certification. You can switch between transmission and access here. Take transmission as an example. We provide a learning map. First, you can learn WDM basics, Huawei products and features, and then Huawei solutions and certifications.
Yes, next, let's look at the Tool Center. Here, choose Tools. You can see all tools we've provided. Let's show you some useful tools.
At the top of this page, there is MD02A Service Configuration Assistant. In the left part, you can select configurations, step 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then select configuration type. In the diagram on the right, you can choose a configuration type, and then you can see the port channel occupation in the following figure.
The MD02A board is used to many scenarios and is really complex. This tool can help engineers configure services more quickly and accurately.
And the next tool we want to show you is WDM board interconnection tool. It provides two query modes to help you quickly and accurately get board interconnection requirements. The first mode is quick check. First, select device of site A and set B. Then, select service type and boards. Click search. A tick indicates the interconnection is successful. Change a board and click search. A cross indicates the interconnection fails. Click view details. The words in red indicate the cause of the interconnection failure. The second mode is wizard-based query. In this mode, firstly, you should select site configuration and device, boards, mapping path, line code, FEC type of site A. Then, you can query which boards can be interconnected. If you are not familiar with our boards, the second mode is more efficient.
These tools look really useful and they indeed save a lot of time for us during device and service configuration. But you just mentioned the devices, how about the modules? You know, they are always connected. Do we have some tools for querying modules?
This is the point. Actually, we have a tool. Let me show you. Let's return to the tool page. In module category, you can find the module information. You can enter the keyword on the top input box, or you can use the filter like module type, form factor, rate, level, and so on. Click search. The supported board related to this module and the complete information will be displayed. Then you can find the board compatibility and enter the board name or product. All the relevant information will be presented.
It is convenient to query optical modules.
Right. Now we turn to some tools for access networks. Let's introduce PON link budget calculator. It is a tool used for PON link attenuation calculation, which helps you quickly determine whether parameter planning of a PON link meets requirements.
First, choose the optical module type of OLT and ONU and the ratio of the optical splitter. Then input the optical fiber length of 3 sections. Next, set the number of connectors for each section. This tool can fast calculate PON link attenuation.
Next, the script generation tool. If you need to make a script, this tool can be very helpful.
Here, choose one-click script tool. In the left part, there are several scenarios. For example, choose this scenario. Then you can see the documents related to this scenario. Then click Import Content. The content template will appear in this box. You can modify the parameters as required and then click Translate. See, a TXT format script is generated.
It saves a lot of time.
Yes, we have many other tools such as power consumption calculation, alarm, and event query, command query, and so on. We don't have time to demonstrate all tools today, and you can try them later.
Next, let me introduce the documentation for enterprise network products.
You know, there are many good documents about enterprise network products on the support website, but some partners cannot find these docs they want directly. So why not try the offline after-sales documentation bookshelf? Let me show you. Take S-Switch as an example. Download it and you will find treasures.
Wow, Each of the documents comes with a description and a link, helping you quickly find what you are looking for. It intelligently selects various documents for mainstream product versions. There are also troubleshooting guide, NetTech TV, and technos in it. Please remember and favorite this.
Actually, apart from basic user manuals, I'd like to recommend a tool in particular. It's InfoFinder. Just as the announcement say, this is a new version. Also take switches as an example. Select S12712 series.
So many functions divided into two parts, basic information and OAM.
Yes, first you will see an overview of the device. In specifications, you can query details of the software specifications. In feature query, apart from specification query, you can compare specifications between different versions of the same device. In Hardware Center, you can query the matching parts of the device.
You can view the 3D model here with detailed information or scan the QR code to view it on your phone.
Also, in the product image gallery, you can download the images of the device and view them offline.
In hardware configuration, after selecting cards one by one or selecting them in a batch, you can obtain the diagram of the configured device. The tool can also calculate the power consumption, weight, and the heat dissipation of the device.
At last, you can query the life cycle like EOM and US states of products, as well as software versions.
Next, I want to introduce some new types of documents. We have just published IP Encyclopedia in books and the data communication series of books to help you know about Huawei datacom technologies and solutions.
First, the IP Encyclopedia will help you quickly understand the basic concepts about new technologies such as SRv6 and Wi-Fi 7.
IP Network ebook series can help you understand fundamentals and values of technologies. We have released 7 ebooks, including Cloud Camp 3 solution, Wi-Fi 6, and so on.
Data communication series of books can help you have an in-depth understanding of technical principles and implementation details of products and solutions. The books are now available on Amazon as both electronic and printed versions. You can search for the book name to find them.
We have introduced so many docs about products. Now, we want to introduce documentation for enterprise network solutions. Go back to the home page, select Enterprise Network Solution. You can select solutions by application or industrial. Take Cloud Campus solution as an example.
There are also top documents including white paper, product documentation, design guide, best practice, typical configuration examples, and the maintenance guide.
You can find tools, videos, and related products when you need to learn more.
That's all for enterprise network documentation. Because the time is limited, we've only selected a few parts and introduced them briefly.
Yes, if you want to learn more, please follow our training called Document Navigator. We will introduce more details about docs and the tools.
To stay up to date with the latest document information, please scan the QR code and subscribe to our newsletter. Here we will post all our new information. If you think this is useful, you can forward to your partners.